Hi friends, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much friends for your support, my subscribers. Thank you very much for being there to support my videos. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And if you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. Please watch my videos, and if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. And do not forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be updated with our new videos. Alright guys, over here we have lady's finger. So today we are going to cook lady's finger with chicken. Alright, so how do we choose a right lady's finger? Okay, so when you go to the market, make sure that you choose the correct one, which is when you touch the lady's finger, it should be smooth, and the skin of the okra, it should not be sharp or rough, or otherwise that is old. Alright, and before we use the lady's finger, we have to make sure that we soak this for about 10 to 15 minutes with vinegar and water. Alright, so that the living agents or whatever dirt that is sticking onto the skin of the okra or lady's finger will get removed. That is very important. Other than lady finger that we have over here, we need soy sauce, all-purpose soy sauce, capsicum. Over here we have a minced chicken. We need ground black pepper, chopped onion, cornstarch, ginger and garlic mince. We need chili chips. This is an optional. If you don't want spicy little bit, then you can escape this. Alright, and we need salt. So that's all the ingredients that we need for today's cooking. Alright guys, so stay tuned and we're gonna start the process. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do is I'm going to put this lady finger over here. Get ready to get it steam. So right now I'm boiling water, and once it is boiled, then I can place this inside the steamer. And now let's start the chicken. Over here we need to use olive oil, or any normal oil also can. Earlier on I have forgotten to mention about the cooking oil, that is important. Ginger and garlic. Onion. Soak onion for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add this capsicum and the chili flakes. So if you don't want to use chili flakes, it's alright. Now I'm adding a little bit of sugar to balance the spiciness or the hotness of the chili flakes. And allow it to cook for about 1 minute. And now the final one, we're going to add the cornstarch diluted in water. And this is the finished product of making lettuce finger with stir-fried chicken. So this is it, guys. Simple as this. This is our simple menu for today. Thank you, friends. Thank you, viewers, for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click the like button, and send me a message. Thank you and God bless.